The Kylie Jenner challenge is up and running again, but this time it has left a girl's lips swollen for days after she attempted it. Why is this challenge back? Did we not learn the first time how pointless and stupid it is? No offense, Kylie. What's going on, guys? I'm your host, Joss. Welcome back to InformOverload. We bring the daily news, but we make it more fun than reading a newspaper. Do people still do that? Like, do people read the newspaper? I haven't seen a newspaper in like years. If you like what we do, you can find us outside of YouTube. Our Instagram links are down below. You will not find me doing the Kylie challenge on there though, so I apologize in advance. And make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you do not miss another video. A 12-year-old girl was left with inflated lips for days after trying to recreate the Kylie challenge with a shot glass. Her name is Lily Greenland. Sorry to throw you under the bus there, Lil. And she was hoping to have that same pout that Kylie has, but instead she was left with painful swollen lips. Now, I don't like seeing anyone in pain, but girl, what are you thinking? If for some reason you're confused as to what the Kylie challenge is, it all started back in 2015 when people started using water bottles as a suction device on their lips to puff them and make them look like Kylie Jenner's. They would post their pictures online using the hashtag Kylie Jenner challenge. What kind of world are we living in? I mean, it's kind of creative, but weird. After the bottle's successful performance, people started to use cups and then shot glasses. So years later, a girl decided to try it again and she had her mom film the entire thing. I'm low-key not impressed with this parenting, but I will ignore it. Her mom Danny recorded her doing the challenge, which shows her sucking on the glass for about a minute and then her lips inflating to almost 4 times their size almost instantly. It was all caught on tape and you can see Lily and her mom bursting out in laughter. Because I get it seems like some innocent fun, so it's funny to see her looking like Donald Duck. But after having the glass on her lips for some time, you can see her eyes filling up with tears and she mumbles, "It hurts." Her mom tells her to take it off and that is when it reveals how swollen they really are. Her mom claims that she didn't know she was doing the Kylie challenge when she started filming and that she just hit record because her lips looked funny in the shot glass. I don't know if I believe that. She spoke on it saying, "I would say she looked like Pete Burns, to be honest. I've never seen lips like that in my real life. It was very surreal. It was like a lip filler job gone wrong." She continued to say that she does hope this will put her daughter off from wanting to have fillers one day when she's older. The swelling stayed for 2 days straight and left her with bruises. And Lily was forced to go to school with her lips looking like that. So not only was it painful physically, but emotionally that might have been kind of tough. But her mom confirmed for us that Lily did not learn her lesson and actually said she wants to do it for her prom when she's older. Jesus, take the wheel. This is why I won't be having kids. Let me know what you guys think of this down in the comments. Be honest, have you done the Kylie challenge? Or would you do the Kylie challenge? This would never fly with my parents. If I even like played with my cup or anything at dinner, I would get in trouble. Let alone like suctioning it to my face as a lip plumper. But give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's story, and in the meantime, I am going to do some comment shoutouts. Aniko Dahas says, "I read a news article about this and first thing I thought was this is going to be a topic on I.O. Turns out I was correct. Can you predict the future? Or are we just that predictable?" Wolfgamer LOL says, "Hey, wanna know something cool? My last name is Waffle, not lying." Well, if that's true, that's actually pretty cool. I wish my last name was a food. Corbin Connection Comedy says, "With the heightened security now, it's more like Area 50 gun." Dude, this joke is solid. You should copyright that before I take it. Gaming with Intimus says, "Jossie with some saucy news." This should be my new slogan. Jossie with the saucy. I like it. Alright guys, that is all the sauce I have for you today. Like and leave a comment before you go, or you can click the playlist on your screen right over here if you want to keep watching more IO videos. I'm your host Joss, the sauce, and I will see you next time.